This is the thunderstorm going down this morning. That's it. Jesus! This is so bad, guys. This is crazy. Hey guys, so it's now the next day and obviously I didn't do anything yesterday because of the freaking weather. It was so dumb. So today we're going to go to downtown Disney, I'm going to ship some stuff home and we're going to do lots of other random stuff as well, aren't we? Yep. Oh yeah. So we're on the bus and we're taking silly selfies. That's way cool. Thank you. Nice. Okay, so we got off the bus and we're going to downtown Disney now. Yes! Tourist again. A new tourist video. So I have a plan of attack for today. I'm going to go in and send some stuff home, ship some stuff home to Walt Disney, and then I'm going to go buy some Pandora beads, hopefully. What else do I need to do? I need to go look at some Christmas presents for people, and yeah. So hopefully it'll be a successful day. Yoo-hoo, family! So apparently the new garage is open, which is pretty cool. They so needed that. And that's the Tinkerbell ones. So we hopped off at Vista to go to Walgreens and stuff, and we're on this, one of the fancy buses back to Chatham, which is quite amazing because normally we get on the shitty Transtar buses. But we got a really flash bus, so we're okay with that. The things I said when I was gone, I didn't need to call you back. Hey guys, I'm now at Hollywood Studios and I'm going to go have a look at the lights, the Osbourne lights. Walking up and down the street, taking videos of all of them from different sides because snow invasion. Because I'm obviously uploading all these Disney classic videos, so I'm gonna get them from different angles to try and make myself look like a pro, but yeah. So I'm just walking up and down the street. I was just down there, and now I'm going back to the other end, so I can get them from different angles. Yeah, pretty much my evening. Not bad, huh? And back I go again. Go with another one, walking down the street, trying to dodge dancers. They're everywhere. It's amazing. This fake snow is crazy. It just gets everywhere. resorted to using my jumper as gloves because I obviously don't have any and it's cold. That's my camera. Oh my god. Whoa, I know.
Children throwing snowballs instead of throwing heads. The busy building toys and absolutely no one's dead. There's frost in every window. Oh, I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the moon tree. How queer! And who will ever think? And why? They're covering it with tiny little things. They've got electric lights on strings and as a smile at everyone. So now correct me if I'm wrong. This looks like fun. This looks like fun. Oh, could it be? I got my wish. What's this? What's this? Monster.
Even Jack Skellington is here.
I feel like I'm the only person here by myself. Filming myself. Covered in snow.
We'll watch you with this.
Sugar pretzels left, which is what I walked away back down the street for. So I'm just walking back towards the front entrance because I'm going to have a look at the merchandise store and see if they have the phone case I was wanting. Anyway, so yeah, see you in a sec. So I'm glad I've called it a night. I'm not sure if I've got all of them or not, but I'll obviously come back another night because I can for free. So I'm just glad that I'm calling it a night because it is freezing. Oh, freezing. Which is weird for Florida, but it is. Trust me. So I'm just making a mad dash into one of the merchandise shops just because it's warm. It looks really warm. Here we go. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's cold leaving that one. We're going to another one. Ooh. Pretty. Hey guys, so I'm back at home, obviously, as you can tell. I managed to get the phone case I wanted, which I'll show you in a second, and I managed to get another Pandora bead because Mum set me on a mission to get one for her, me, and my sister, so I did. I am just currently sitting on my computer, talking to myself, to my phone, and uploading the videos from today, the Disney Classic ones. They will be up soon after this. I'm like releasing them in stages, so yeah, no. Once again, thank you for watching another video. I'm going to try and make them more regular, more interesting for you, because I know I've been slack since I've been here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.